Anthony, you scared the bejeepers out of me. What's up?
Someone sent me a gift. It's a new marble track.
Whoa, that looks cool. Is it magnetic?
Yup, magnets are like magic. We can put this bad boy up on the fridge, garage door, or any other magnetic metal.
Well, should we open it up and build a marble track today?
You read my mind. Let's open it up and see what we're working with. Here we go. Whoa, interesting. We've got some blueprints, straight track pieces, curved and stair-step tracks, our marble catchers, spinny connectors and normal connectors, some paddle spinners, scoopy spinners, and turns, a marble launcher, bell, and some levers, and most importantly, marbles! Let's get to work! Woohoo! Look at this thing! It looks so fun! I think we should test it out!
Okay, Anthony, here it comes.
Oh yeah, that was awesome! Let's build the next course! Wow, nice work, Kole! That was a complex one! Okay, load up the marble launcher. Marble launcher loaded. Okay, let her rip, Kole. Launching in 3, 2, 1. That's so fun! I'm gonna add these extra pieces to the track. Check this out. Slow motion. Oops, one of the marbles fell off. That's okay. Oh boy, I just love this marble track. This has been the best day ever.
Thank you all so much for watching this episode of Anthony's Adventures.
Don't forget to subscribe.
That's right. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want your very own marble set just like this one, we'll put a link in the description. And also, if you have any toys you want to see Anthony play with, we'll put our mailing address in the description too. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.